What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. You see it back there. You saw the thumbnail. I don't know why. I have no reason for this. I'm a little bit speechless. I got it for almost free. It is a 1984 Mercedes 300D. Yep, it's a turbo diesel. And I got it for $125. So let me introduce you to my 1984 Mercedes 300D turbo diesel. It's slightly modified from stock. It's tastefully modded, I would say. No brakes. Well, we'll find out about that, won't we? No windows, no brakes, but it does have good tires, and it does have a turbocharger, which is always good, right? Bad Apple Motorsports. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like it still has the emergency first aid kit in the back window there. And a rear view mirror. That's good. With a suction cup on it. The tires all match. And they have like brand new tread, which that's something. And of course, as we get to the front, it's got this, this stack. Kind of like from a tractor. Yeah. Huh. Okay, and of course, it wouldn't be complete without your AutoZone Spectra intake, cold air intake, and some louvers on the hood. Multiple colors, hood pins, because why not, right? Hood pins, yeah. The speed is insane on this, I'm sure. Oh, the hood holds itself up? Well, hell, that's nice. Oh, it's got air horns. Wow. Look at those suckers. Train horns. Okay, now we're talking. We've got a, what is this? A boost gauge, or let's see. A boost gauge. Okay. Who knows? I'm curious. I sure hope it's got some brakes. I'd really like to take this for a little drive. We got some electric fans, whether they're actually hooked up or not, who knows. There's relays, and well, that's definitely disconnected from something. Yeah. There's your turbo. Uh-oh. Is that your oil dipstick? Because it's missing. Oh, wait, no. What is that? What is this? Is this just a vent? Because your oil dipstick is over there. Here's your intake pipe straight into the turbo, and then it goes straight out through the hood. I love this. I've loved it since the moment I saw it, and I have won this car week after week after week. It's taken me about a month to finally get it because nobody else wanted it. I'm the only one stupid enough to buy a ragged out old Benz just because I think it's awesome. I think this car is really, really cool. The mileage, 207,167 miles. It's missing everything. It has no door panels in the front. It does have them in the back. It's got no carpet. The sunroof doesn't look like it's even closed all the way. This is in really bad shape. It's in really bad. I love it. I just think it's so cool looking. It still has the pins, which is nice, so we can make sure that hood stays down. Obviously, there must have been something wrong with it. Let's check the oil. You have an emergency shutoff right here for the engine. So if the engine won't stop running, well, you just push that, and it should shut it off. Let's check that oil. Make sure it's got some. Oh, yeah, she's got oil. She's got oil. And it's got brake fluid, it looks like. Yeah, it's got brake fluid. Oil, brake fluid. Who cares about transmission fluid and coolant? I know the battery's dead, so let's go ahead and just skip all that, and we'll put a jump on it real quick. And let's see what it does. This is listed when I bought it as mechanical damage, which who knows what that is, but mechanical damage, no brakes, and I got it for 125 bucks. 120. Hold on, did I hook that up right? I did. Okay. Are we sure? God, that says negative. Yeah, okay. That just makes a lot of noise. Like, not good ones either. Anyway, week after week I won this, and I won it every week for $125, which is the minimum you can bid on a car at Copart. You can't bid on anything for under $125. So they wouldn't let it go. At first they wanted $1,200, then they wanted $800, then they wanted $600, and we went 2 weeks at $600. And I just wasn't doing it. I give you $125 for it, and that's all I'm gonna do. And finally, to my surprise, they gave it to me. So, oh boy, here we go. Let's let the light go off. Look at the smoke. Wow. Oh man, look at that. It says it's got oil, says it's got diesel. The brakes, oh, no, wait, does it have brakes? It does, but then they go away quickly. There it is. I think they just need to be bled. It'll hold and then it goes away. I wonder if we're leaking. I think these are cooling fans. Yeah, I don't know. I was hoping. Oh, it's got the e-brake on and it doesn't work. The e-brake is fully engaged and it does nothing. Yeah, that's not good. I think we've got a pretty massive brake leak. Oh, wow. Well, it sounds good. No controls for anything. The glove box is... Oh, there's paperwork. Paige owned this and issued August 31st of 2022. We've got a receipt for the tires from Discount Tire. I would love to know the story on this car. More than anything, I'd love to know the story. I'm a sucker for a story, and this car is, boy, has it got a story. What is this car have a story? Do the headlights work? Signals? It's got signals. I think. I don't know. What a hoopty. We've got lights. Lights here as well. Boy, she's smoking like a freight train. Wow. Headlights, corner lights, yes. Boy, she's loud. Let's get this off here. Boy, listen to that thing. Woo! Oh, I really wanted to drive this, but I don't know what's going on with it. There's something very wrong with these brakes. Let's take these off. Yeah, I don't think the hood closes, guys. Hold on, give me a minute. Well, this thing sounds horrible. The brakes are really, really, really rough. But let's, oh wow. There we go, it stopped. And then it went away. That FedEx guy just gave me a thumbs up. Oh my God. Let's take it on the road. Screw it. We don't need brakes. Oh, wow. Will it stop? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold on. There we go. Come. Yeah, it doesn't stop well. It doesn't stop well at all. Let's put it in neutral. And oh man, come on. There we go. There we go. She'll stop. There it is. There it is. Oh my goodness. Guys. This is something. All right, let's flip it around. Wow. Neutral. Let's hit those brakes. Yeah, those brakes don't exist. Come on, girl. Guys, this is I'm dying. Okay. Oh my God. Why? Uh-oh, stop. There we go. There we go. Why did I do this? I don't know. So, if that's not enough for you, our gauges work. I can't believe that. The speedometer was working, the tach doesn't work, but speedometer, temperature, oil pressure, fuel, the gauges work, the lights work, seems like the signals work, the transmission works, and the horn? Listen to that. Air horns. It's got cruise control. I love it. I don't care. I love this little car. What is this? Uh-oh. How does this work? Oh, wow. Okay. That's the sunroof. Uh-oh. Well, oh, I've screwed that up, haven't I? Well, I guess we're just going to have to... Well, it doesn't open or close anymore. Good job, Randy. That's great. Well, she'll roll a little bit of coal. I think this is a Monkey Wrench Mike special right here. Where is Monkey Wrench Mike at, guys? We need him over here immediately to check this car out. Here's what I want for this car. I love it just the way it is. It's a beater and it's super fun to drive. I need to fix the brakes. Monkey Wrench Mike is kind of an expert these days at doing brakes. So maybe we can get him over here to help out with some brakes. Maybe he can help us find a couple of windows and the pieces to put the crank windows back together. Having windows would be really, really nice. I'd love to close that sunroof. Not that it's gonna help much, but you know, when it rains, I guess it's pretty well screwed anyway. This, I love this. Wow. Yeah, I don't, you guys comment below, tell me what you think. I know a lot of you are gonna laugh, and I know it's a turd. I know, it's a junker. I don't care. I don't care. To me, this is just what a super cool old car. What a tank. Can we give some props to the Mercedes for having 200,000 heavily abused miles on it and still getting down the road and rocking through the gears? Come on, man. We could paint it too. We should paint it. I mean, I don't know. I kind of like the patina, but we could paint it like a stupid color like lime green. You know? I don't know. We'll figure it out. Can we get in the trunk? I'd love to, I don't know how to get into the trunk. There should have been a button there, I thought, but there's sure no key. I'd love to. I'm very curious about what is in there. There's a hole drilled through it. Well, it is what it is, guys. It's a $125 car. The fact that it runs and it drives and shifts, you don't need to stop. Nobody needs. Don't worry about brakes. Brakes are overrated. I guess this is going to be it for this video, guys. Here it is, 626 13853. You can check it for yourself. I really did buy this. John's Conversions Incorporated Mercedes 300D, imported by James D. Moore, 1984, gross vehicle weight rating 4330. And there's the VIN number, passenger car. I don't know what kind of a conversion this was, because it doesn't look like it ever got converted, but there you have it. What do you guys think? I need to close this. Give me a minute. So I guess the only question I have left, yes, I did get it somewhat closed, but the lock doesn't work. It just jams up, so yeah, okay. I just want to know, is it going to start back up again? It does. Look at that oil pressure gauge. Such a silly little car. Such a silly little car. And I love it. And I'll bet you money when Monkey Wrench Mike comes and checks it out, I bet you he's going to love the silly little thing too. We'll see if we can get him down here to help us do something with this. If we could get the brakes going, I'll absolutely drive this, especially when it gets a little cooler out. But I do want to get a couple windows, you know, that we can roll up and down. They're mechanical windows, so it shouldn't be that hard. A couple door panels would be nice too. It'd just be nice to be able to seal off the interior from the outside. I don't know what's going on with this sunroof, but maybe we can work on getting it something kind of close to being closed. It's poop brown, turd brown. It's ugly, but at the same time, the first person that saw it was the FedEx driver, and he reached out the window and gave me a thumbs up, man. You know, it's cool. I like it, and I think other people like it too. What'd be even more interesting is if we took it on the power tour next year. I don't know, guys. Comment below, tell me what you think, and help me come up with a name for this 84 turbo diesel. With that, short, sweet, and to the point. I had fun. I hope you guys had fun too. What a treat. Something different, you know, something just different and unique to bring to the channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed as much as I enjoyed making this video for you. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. I throw my thumbs up, and I'm carrying this, so hit the thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to the channel for more shenanigans. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. Unlike me, I look forward to seeing you guys all again very soon in the next one.